Hey guys, I wanted to hop on here to try to help you with today's assignment. I've gotten a lot of questions. People are confused about what's happening. And I think the confusion comes from the Google Doc looking different than what your actual workbook looks like. So if you were to get to the actual assignment, first you need to do the water conservation ed puzzle, okay, on Google Classroom. But then the third thing listed for today's assignment was to look at page 26 and 27 in your energy work booklet. And this is a lab. Okay. Now we would have done this lab in class with you together had we been in class. And we obviously don't expect you to do it on your own. And so lesson 2B, personal water use survey, it kind of goes with the gallons and having you track how many gallons you might be using. Okay. So what Mr. Goss did is this Google document is an easier way to answer those questions we need you without you having to do any lab work. Okay. So what I want you to do is just look at my screen right now and we're going to look at this together. So instead of filling out this, okay, which you can still fill it out if you want, do the estimated amount of gallons and all that stuff, well, you can just look at this and it says, describe the effectiveness of your family's water conservation for each activity. So hand washing, washing hands and face, I would write something down like, and you can follow me on the screen, like we wash hands after coming in from outside, after using the restroom, before eating, and after handling pets or garbage. Okay. We wash faces in the shower, in the morning, and before bed. Okay, that's what my family personally would do. Now it's asking the effectiveness of your water conservation for each activity. So I would say we use a lot of water for this, but turn the water off while scrubbing and back on for rinsing. Okay, just give me a general statement about what you guys do. Okay, so over in this column, it's asking what are ways you could improve water conservation in this area? Well, my 6-year-old would say use hand sanitizer. Oops. Hand sanitizer instead of soap and water, which is his preferred version of like after he handles his bearded dragon and wash his hands. He would rather just throw some hand sanitizer on and call it a day. But with this pandemic, obviously, you guys know that soap and water is more effective than hand sanitizer. And also, hand sanitizer is a hot commodity right now that's running out quickly. So we don't have a ton in our house. So I would rather him, if he has access to soap and water, use soap and water right now rather than hand sanitizer. But a way to conserve energy and conserve water in our house would be use hand sanitizer instead of soap and water. If you described your family as excellent in conserving water, what strategies do you use to save water? So there's a strategy. Okay. So just a quick little snippet about what you do or what you can't do. Okay. Then go down to showering. My 2 little ones take a bath at night, which it depends on what you use more water. Like if you're taking a shower that's an hour long, you should probably just take a bath because it's one thing of bath water rather than a shower that's running for an hour, obviously using more water. But my kids still take a bath together. So like that's one way we would conserve water. Another way is we could cut down shower to 5 minutes max for each person. Brushing teeth, same. Don't leave the water on while you're brushing, just before and after, that kind of stuff. Hopefully that was a helpful tip. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Okay. Fill this out, not the one in your energy packet. Okay. Fill this one out. If you fill this one out and turn it in, you will get credit for that. And that's going to be way easier than what the energy packet was giving you. Okay. All right. See you guys.